와 이러노? 자기 미쳤나? 와 이러노? 잡아! 어디로 가? 잡으란 말이야.
Niggas will deadass hit your fucking car and try to dip on you, bro. Like I'm the wrong nigga to fucking play with, bro. Pull the fuck over, nigga. Pull over, bro. Pull over, nigga. The fuck wrong with you?
So the Subaru is stuck. So he's going to pull it. We'll see how this works out for his car.
Fuck!
And it's gone. There goes the bumper.
Get the fuck out. I got
Are you seeing this?
That was hilarious.
Did it shear my whole frame?
Yeah.
It did, didn't it? Because that's not supposed to come off there.
No.
Well, I didn't think it was going to rip the tow hooks off the truck.
I didn't think you were going 20 backwards.
Well, that's what you do with these straps. You just go.
No.
You can't park that there, mate.
Fuck off. Descendo agora o caminhão. Olha o descendo, perdeu. Puta que pariu, perdeu o controle o caminhão. Meu Deus do céu. Meu Deus. É, caralho.
Meu Deus do céu, olha só, bicho.
That's kind of what he gets for letting a drunk person. What in the fuck are you doing?
Though her teeth truly did chatter now. I came to make sure all the sisters here know about the Reds and Locaine, so they'll depose